Good students, today we will study about knowing our numbers, which is very important concept. Okay student, here numbers, before we know about what is numbers. To present any numbers by 10 symbols as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These symbols are called digits. These digits are completely free, not depend on other. But after this, all numbers are depends by these symbols. Okay? But these digits are completely free. After this, all numbers are made by these 10 digits. Okay? Therefore, these 10 symbols are very, very important. Is also known as a digit. Okay, students? After this, you know that before it, I tell you that after this, all numbers are made by these digits as 23 made by 2 digits 2 and 3, okay, and 540 numbers made by 5, 4 and 0 digits. Okay, student? Thus, all numbers are made by these 10 digits. Okay, student? After this, we know about numerals. Numeral means when the numbers are written in words are called numerals. When any number, as here, this is the number 2450 number, write in words form 2450. Then this form is known as a numerals form, and this numerals form convert in numbers as 2450. Okay? When numbers write in words form is called numeral form, and when numeral form convert into write in this form, that is known as number. And look here, by these digits used, this number is made 2450. In this case, 2, 4, 5 and 0 digits make number 2450. Okay, student? Then these 10 symbolic forms are very, very important, by which we made all numbers by these, with the help of these symbolic digits. Okay, students? After this, every digit have different place values which are depends on two systems, which are depends on two systems. Okay. First, Indian place value numeral system, and second is international place value numeral systems. In these two cases, numbers are written. Indian place value numeral systems written in India, and international place value numbers written in word. Okay. Here, before we study about Indian place value numeral chart, how numbers, Indian numbers write in numbers and write in numeral form. Then this place value here, two times. Indian place value numeral charts. Okay. First case, ones, thousand, lakh, crore and crore, 10 crore, Arab, 10 Arab and so on. Okay. Write in this form: ones, tens, hundred, after this thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs, and crore, 10 crore, and so on. Okay. Write in first case here 35 crore 48 lakhs 29,134. Thus we write in this number form 35 crore 48 lakh 29,134. Write commas, ones, tens, hundred. Write here comma. After this, two digits. Write comma here after two digits. 84 comma, and here 92 comma. But in first case, we write comma after three digits from right sides. Ones, tens, hundred. Write comma. After this, two digit, write comma in Indian place value numeral charts according to Indian place value numeral chart. Okay. And number is write in with commas in this form, and when numbers write in numerals form in word. Numeral form means in word. As 35 crore 48 lakhs 29,134. Thus we write in numerals form. Numeral form means when a number write in words form, that is called a numeral form. And when numeral form write in digits form, that is called numbers. Here numbers and this are write in numeral form of this number according to Indian place value numeral system. Okay, students. After this, I teach you second case after some time. After this case second, international place value numeral chart system. Okay, in second case, this chart system is thus here ones, thousand, million, billion. Okay, right? Made this charts ones, tens, hundred, thousand, million, billion. How write the numbers in this system and numeral form and numbers both? Write in numbers form as example as here. In this case, commas write after 3 digits. Here, ones, tens, hundred. Write here comma. And after write comma 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3 digit. After 3 digits, write commas according to this international place value chart, numeral chart. Okay? Here write these numbers 532 billions, 532 billions, 786 millions, 489,321. Write in numeral form. When numbers are write in words, that is called a numeral form. Here write in number according to this system. Write commas after 3 digits. After 3 digit comma, after 3 digit comma. Okay? But in Indian form, write comma before 1, 2, 3 digits, after this 2 digits in Indian form. But in international form, write comma after 3 digits. 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3 digit after comma. Thus we write commas. And in last term, if 3 digits, then not write here comma. But here any numbers are right here, then we write here comma. But it is not so. But it is not so. Okay? So these types of numbers are read and write in international system form. Write in its numbers and write number in numeral form as. Okay, student, these types of questions you can solve by this method read and write. Okay, student, after this next topic I will teach you tomorrow. Okay, student.